Hi friends, welcome back to our SP English Educare channel. Today I am going to demonstrate 2nd PUC Physics Model Question Paper 3 2024 to 2025 with answer solved by Pooja Ravindra and narrated by Srishti Balakrishna. So before exposing the question paper and answer, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and like share so you'll get the notification as soon as we upload the video. Okay, now let me move to expose the answer. Part A, first bit. Pick the correct option among the 4 given options for all of the following question. First, the SI unit of surface charge density is A. cm to the power minus 1, B. cm to the power minus 2, C. cm to the power minus 3, D. kgm to the power minus 3, and the answer is B. cm to the power minus 2. Second, the values of electric field E and electric potential V at any point on the equatorial plane of an electric dipole are such that A. E is equal to 0, V is equal to 0, B. E is equal to 0, V is not equal to 0, C. E is not equal to 0, V is equal to 0, D. E is not equal to 0, V is not equal to 0, and the answer is C. E is not equal to 0, V is equal to 0. Third, if the potential difference across a capacitor is double, then the energy stored in it A is doubled, B is quadrupled, C is halved, D remains same, and the answer is B is quadrupled. Fourth, a wire has non-uniform cross-sectional area as shown in the figure. A steady current I flows through it. Which one of the following statement is correct? A. The drift speed of electron is constant. B. The drift speed of electron increases while moving from A to B. C. The drift speed of electron decreases while moving from A to B. D. The drift speed of electron varies randomly, and the answer is C. The drift speed of electron decreases while moving from A to B. Fifth, a charged particle of charge Q is moving in a uniform magnetic field. The angle between the velocity v of the charged particle and magnetic field B is theta. The trajectory of the charged particle varies with angle theta. Match the following table by choosing the appropriate trajectory traced by the charged particle for different possible values of angle theta. Angle trajectory. First, theta is equals to 0 degree circle. Second, theta is equals to 45 degree straight line. Third, theta is equals to 90 degree helix. A. First A, second B, third C. B. First B, second C, third A. C. First B, second A, third C. D. First C, second B, third A, and the answer is B. First B, second C, third A. Sixth, below are the two statements related to magnetic flux and magnetic field lines. Statement 1. The net magnetic flux through any closed surface is 0. Statement 2. The number of magnetic field lines leaving the surface is balanced by the number of lines entering it. A. Both the statement 1 and 2 are correct, and 2 is the correct explanation for 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. B. Both the statement 1 and 2 are correct and 2 is not the correct explanation of 1. C. Statement 1 is wrong but the statement 2 is correct. D. Statement 1 is correct but the statement 2 is wrong, and the answer is A. Both the statements 1 and 2 are correct and 2 is the correct explanation for 1. Seventh, the polarity of induced EMF in a coil is given by A. Lenz's law, B. Faraday's law, C. Gauss law in magnetism, D. Ampere's circuit law, and the answer is A. Lenz's law. Eighth, in a transformer, the winding of the primary and secondary coils are wound one over the other to reduce the energy loss due to A. Flux leakage, B. Resistance of the windings, C. Eddy currents, D. Resistors, and the answer is A. Flux leakage. Ninth, the electromagnetic waves suitable for radar system used in aircraft navigation are A. Gamma rays, B. Ultraviolet rays, C. Microwaves, D. Infrared waves, and the answer is C. Microwaves. 10. A ray of light is incident on glass air interface at an angle greater than the critical angle for the pair of media. Then the ray undergoes A. Refraction only, B. Partial reflection and partial refraction, C. Total internal reflection, D. Grazes the surface at the interface of the two media, and the answer is C. Total internal reflection. 11th, to observe sustained interference pattern on a screen placed at a suitable distance in Young's double slit experiment, which of the following condition are necessary? A. Source of light should be coherent, B. Source of light should be narrow, C. Source of light should be very loose, A. Only A, B. Both A and B, C. Both B and C, D. All A, B and C, and the answer is D. All A, B and C. 12th, the de Broglie wavelength of a moving particle is independent of dash. Q the particle. A. Charge, B. Mass, C. Speed, D. Momentum, and the answer is A. Charge. 13. For an electron revolving around the nucleus, A. Kinetic energy and potential energy are positive, total energy is negative. B. Kinetic energy is positive, potential energy and total energy are negative. C. Potential energy is negative, kinetic energy and total energy are positive. D. Kinetic energy and potential energy are negative, total energy is positive, and the answer is B. Kinetic energy is positive, potential energy and total energy are negative. 14th, the ratio of nuclear densities Q, Al and Cu is A. 1:1, B. 3:4, C. 13:29, D. 27:64, and the answer is A. 1:1. 15th, the energy band gap in conductor, insulator and semiconductor are respectively E1, E2 and E3. The relation between them is A. E1 is equal to E2 is equal to E3, B. E1 is less than E2, E2 is less than E3, C. E1 is greater than E2 is greater than E3, D. E1 is less than E3, E3 is less than E2, and the answer is D. E1 is less than E3, E3 is less than E2. Second, fill in the blanks by choosing appropriate answer given in the bracket for all of the following questions. 16. 1Q, the basic properties of electric charge is dash, and the answer is quantization. 17. The ratio of the magnetic flux linkage to the current in a coil is called dash, and the answer is inductance. 18th, the principle of working of a transformer is dash, and the answer is mutual induction. 19th, a microscope is used to produce large dash of small objects, and the answer is magnification. 20, the phenomena of bending of light around the edges of an obstacle is called dash, and the answer is diffraction. Part B, third bit, Answer any 5 of the following question. 21st. Name the two factors on which the resistance of a metallic wire depends, and the answer is below. 22. When does a current carrying conductor placed in a uniform magnetic field experience first maximum force, second minimum force, and the answer is below. 23rd. Define magnetization of a sample. How is it related to magnetic intensity? And the answer is below. 24. A boy pedals a stationary bicycle. The pedals of the cycles are attached to a coil of 100 turns. Each turn of area 0.20 meter square. The coil rotates at a 6 rotation per second, and it is placed in a uniform magnetic field of 0.01 T perpendicular to the axis of rotation of the coil. Calculate the maximum value of EMF generated in the coil, and the answer is below. 25th. What is displacement current? Give the expression for it, and the answer is below. 26th. Mention two uses of Polaroids, and the answer is below. 27th. Write two limitations of Bohr's atom model, and the answer is below. 28. How can a semiconductor diode be forward biased? What happens to the width of a depletion region when forward bias voltage is increased? And the answer is below. 4th bit. Answer any 5 of the following question. 29. Derive the expression for the torque on an electric dipole placed in a uniform electric field, and below is the derivation. 30. Give three results of electrostatics of conductor, and the answer is below. State and explain Biot-Savart's law with suitable diagram, and the answer is below. Write the three difference between diamagnetic and ferromagnetic material, and the difference is below. Derive the expression for EMF induced in a straight conductor moving perpendicular to uniform magnetic field, and the answer is below. A small candle is placed at a distance of 20 cm in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image, and the answer is below. 35th, using Huygens principle, show that the angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence when a plane wavefront is reflected by a plane surface, and the derivation is below. Sixth, write three features of nuclear force, and the answer is below. Part D, 5th bit. Answer any three of the following questions. 37. State Gauss law in electrostatics. Derive an expression for the electric field at the point due to an infinity long, thin, uniformly charged straight wire using Gauss law, and the derivation is below. Arrive at the balance condition of Wheatstone bridge using Kirchhoff's laws, and the answer is below. What is the principle behind the working of moving coil galvanometer? With the help of a neat label diagram, obtain the expression for the angular deflection produced in moving coil galvanometer, and the answer is below. So, 40. Derive the expression for refractive index of the material of the prism in terms of angle of minimum deviation and angle of the prism, and the answer is below. 41A. Write three difference between intrinsic semiconductor and extrinsic semiconductor, and the answer is below. B. Draw the energy band diagram of first N-type and second P-type semiconductor at temperature T greater than 0. Okay, and the answer is below. Sixth bit. Answer any two of the following question. 42. Three capacitors of a capacitance 2 microfarad, 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad are connected in series. A. Determine the effective capacitance of the combination. B. Find the potential difference across 6 microfarad capacitor if the combination is connected to a 60 V supply, and the answer is below. For copper, the number density of free electrons is 8.5 into 10 to the power 28 m to the power minus 3, and resistivity is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Calculate the conductivity of copper and relaxation time of free electrons in copper. Take the mass of electron is equals to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, and E is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 C, and the problem is below. A resistor of a 50 ohm, a pure inductor of 250 mH and a capacitor are in series in a circuit containing an AC source of 220 volt 50 Hz. In the circuit, current leads the voltage by 60 degree. Find the capacitance of the capacitor, and the answer is below.